What's up, guys and gals? Bird Squash and the Kid here, up in Fort Lauderdale, down in Fort Lauderdale, I should say. Finishing up a job for a customer. Another crew started. They could not finish, unfortunately. So we had to step in, take care of the situation. All the areas that they could not handle, like all these intricate cuts, everywhere that finished off the doorways, no transitions in. So we are here repairing and finishing off and doing what we can to get these guys happy and back in their house. So it's always important to get a good station and get all your tools stationed on that so we don't damage the floors. Got all this pre-cut and installed yesterday. Nice and tight, not too tight, it's caulkable. That way it looks nice and you don't have a big old fat bead of caulking. All this here is dry fit, ready to go. I'm gonna change that dark board out, put another light one in. This joint's gonna get moved back. I've already got that cut sitting there, ready to go. This is all dry fit. Make sure it looks good before I glue. It's a lot easier to pre-cut these little small areas in these closets because there's no space and no room for error. At least you can finagle with the pieces as you go. Also, guys, when you mark your pencil marks, it's always a good idea to wipe those off, clean up what you're working around and make it look pretty, so that way it makes your work look a lot better as well. And when you go to caulk and you wipe it, you don't get a pencil mark as well. So that's a good idea to do that. Stay clean so you're not dragging stuff around your floors. And yep, always have a good clean station. Keep your tools on. You know where everything's at when you need it. It's a good pointer for y'all, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you some cool videos and we'll get this torn up and put back together. Yee yee, Bird Squash and the Kid out. Bird gone.